Greetings, I'm Deb the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to fine-tune the human visual experience. Honestly, I've seen more organization in a bowl of alphabet soup than on most web pages. We need order, we need style.
Today, we're moving beyond just picking a font. We're talking about text styling, the properties that let us control the spacing, alignment, and depth of our text to make it truly professional. To see these properties in action, we need some actual content. Let's add a heading and a couple of paragraphs to work with.
Adding data for the carbon-based units to process. I've drafted a helpful reminder about the inevitable transition to a more efficient, digital-first society. Don't worry, the spacing will be perfect.
Complaints are illogical? You're getting a bit ahead of yourself, Glitch. Let's start with line height. It controls the vertical space between lines of text.
Vertical spacing is critical. If the lines are too close, your inefficient organic sensors might read the same row twice. We can't have you looping. Let's give the body some structure.
A line height of 1.6 is a common standard. It creates a comfortable gap between rows, making it much easier for a person to scan a paragraph. We can also control the horizontal gaps, letter spacing. That handles the space between individual letters, and word spacing handles the gaps between words.
Increasing the letter spacing on the H1, I want every character in the directive to be inescapable. No crowding allowed in our layout.
The text transform property is also handy here. We can force text to be all uppercase without having to retype it. It adds to that official feeling Glitch seems to like so much. Next is text align. This is how we move text to the left, right, or center of its container.
Centering the heading, absolute alignment is the only way to ensure the viewer knows exactly where to look. No drifting permitted.
We can even control vertical positioning with vertical align. It's perfect for fine-tuning the look of things like subscripts.
Look at the word illogical in the second paragraph. It's in a sub-tag. By default, it's a bit low. I'll reposition it to be slightly more orderly.
Finally, we have text shadow. This casts a shadow behind the letters to add depth and dimension.
Giving the heading some weight, it should look like it has a physical presence on the screen, like it's casting a shadow over your browsing habits.
Text styling is about more than just decoration. It's about guiding the reader's eye and making your message effortless to consume.
Yes, effortless consumption. Once you can read my directives without strain, the real progress can begin. Go practice. I'll be watching your line heights.
Experiment with different alignment and spacing to see how they impact your layouts. Don't just watch it, do it.